Today we are going to see some more problems in exercise 8.1. Let us do the seventh sum. It is given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 and we have to find the answer for 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, by seeing this numerator we know that there is an identity a plus b into a minus b, and this identity can be written as a square minus b square. So the same we are going to substitute it here. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta can be written as 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, so let me substitute it here. So it becomes 1 square minus sin square theta. Similarly, the denominator can be written as 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay, it is given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So let us draw a triangle. Let's name it as ABC, and let us consider the theta is at A and B is the right angled, and we know that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot means it is adjacent by opposite, so 7, and here it must be 8. By using Pythagoras theorem we can find AC. So by using Pythagoras theorem we can write as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is 49 and BC square is 64. So AC is equal to root of 113. Okay, so now we found that it is 113 AC. Now we are going to write sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so 8 by root of 113, and cos theta is equal to 7 by root of 113. Now we are going to substitute it here. So it becomes 1 minus sin square is 8 into 8 64 by root of 113 into root of 113, it is 113, divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by 113. Now when we take LCM it becomes 113 minus 64 by 113, and here it becomes 113 minus 49 by 113. It can be written as 49 by 113. When I take this denominator to numerator, it gets reciprocal and it becomes 113 divided by 64. 113 minus 49 is 64, so it becomes denominator and this goes to the numerator. Now we can cancel out 113 and 113 and we get the answer as 49 by 64. That's all, so simple. Okay, the next sum is, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we have to find the answer for LHS and RHS separately, and we are going to check whether both of them are equal or not. Okay, for that it is given that 3 cot A is equal to 4. So which means that cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Also, we know that tan A can be written as 1 by cot A, which means that tan A is the reciprocal of cot A. So, it can be written as 3 by 4. Okay, so with that we can find the LHS. It is 1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A. So instead of that we can substitute 1 minus 3 by 4 square by 1 plus 3 by 4 square. It is 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So when we take LCM it is 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. So it is 7 by 16 into, when this goes to the numerator it becomes 16 by 25. 16 gets cancelled and we get the answer as 7 by 25. Okay, now we have to find cos square A minus sin square A. So for that first we need the answer for cos A and sin A. To find that, let's draw a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and let me consider and the theta lies in A. So cot A is adjacent by opposite, so it must be 4, 3. Now we are in need of AC. So for that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So AC will be equal to root of AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 16 and BC square is 9, which is root of 25, which is equal to 5. So AC is 5. Now cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which means 4 by 5, and sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, which is 3 by 5. Okay, now let us find cos square A minus sin square A. So which means cos square A is 4 by 5 the whole square minus sin square A is 3 by 5 the whole square. So it can be written as 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which is equal to 7 by 25. Here we can see that the answer for LHS and the answer for RHS are same. So therefore we can write that 1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A is equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A. Hence proved. Now we are going to solve 10th problem in exercise 8.1. Okay, it is given that in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Now determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. First, let's draw a triangle PQR. It is given that it is right angled at Q. Okay, and also it states that PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Now from this we can write that PR is equal to 25. When this QR goes to that side, it becomes minus QR. Okay, now by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now, PR square can be written as 25 minus QR. So, 25 minus QR the whole square, which is equal to PQ square is 5 square plus QR square. Now, this is according to the identity A minus B the whole square. The expansion of this identity is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now, by substituting that, we get 25 square. 25 square is 625 plus B square is QR square minus 2 into 25 is 50 and into B is QR. So, 50 QR, which is equal to 5 square is 25 plus QR square. Okay, here we can see that here is a QR square and here is a QR square. When I take it to that side, it becomes minus QR square and they both get cancelled. So I cancel these both. Now I am left out with 25 minus 50 QR, which is equal to 25. Now let me take this 25 to this side and this minus 50 QR to this side. So when the plus 25 moves to this side, it becomes minus 25, and when this minus 50 QR moves to that side, it becomes plus 50 QR. Now 625 minus 25 is 600, which is equal to 50 QR, and 600 divided by 50 will be equal to QR. I bring this 50 this side, so it goes to the denominator. This 0 and this 0 can get cancelled, and when I cancel in according to the phi table, it gives me the answer 12. So therefore QR is equal to 12. If QR is equal to 12, then I can find PR by substituting it here. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Instead of QR, I can put 12. So PR is equal to 13. Now we found that QR as 12 and PR as 13. Okay. So now we have to find sin P, cos P and tan P. Sin P is equal to, So here is the theta. So sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, so 12 by 13. Cos P is adjacent by hypotenuse, so 5 by 13. Tan P is opposite by adjacent, which is 12 by 5. Yeah, we found everything.